Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to block a website in specific countries using Cloudflare. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Cloudflare account and select the domain you want to manage from the dashboard. Make sure you choose the correct domain because all changes will apply to this website. Once the domain is open, go to the Security section from the top menu. This area contains the tools used to control access to your site. Next, click on Security Rules and then choose the option to create a new rule. From here, select Custom Rules, which allow you to define access conditions based on location. In the Rule Builder, set the condition to Country and choose the countries you want to restrict from the drop-down list. You can select one or multiple countries depending on your requirement. After selecting the countries, choose the action as Block. This ensures visitors from the selected regions will no longer be able to access your website. Review the rule settings carefully to avoid blocking unintended traffic. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy to activate the rule. The rule will take effect immediately and Cloudflare will start enforcing the restriction. So that's basically how you can block a website in specific countries using Cloudflare. That's it for this video. Thanks.